Here we are, Bohemian Hunting Club. We're in the bush. There's David over there. There's Wesley and Wyatt over there. For some odd reason, they didn't trust me sitting across the tank from them. Here we are. I'm on the backside of the tank, pulling the shell fire. They don't get them as they come in. They're coming in over here and landing in the trees if there's any misses. And basically, as soon as they land in the tree, I'm hitting them. Might be a less practical way to get them, but yet it's a strategic way to get them. Coming over!
Shot way too many shells for just 2 birds. Oh yeah, that ain't no shit. Better than what the fuck we're doing at the house, getting drunk.
Oh yeah, we're getting drunk with loaded guns. Bert!
What?
Hey, Bert!
You ain't shitting.
Damn it! I had a camera in my hand. Well, we got that one flying away.
Dog man, clean dog.
We don't like shoot too many because it takes too long to clean them.
Here we go. It's the proper way to de-breast a bird.
Pull the feathers.
I guess I'll clean one of David's.
There you go.
Watch them, it's here.
Hot!
Got
1,000 shots.
That ain't no shit. Take them home, but just home and wash them up tomorrow.
The things look like brown deer feet.